Hi, Tony, Phoenix Transmission Parts. How are you today? I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about our Corvette Servo assembly that we sell. It goes in your General Motors 700 4R 4L60 65 transmission. I'm going to show you how to get the old one out, put the new one in. Here's some of the tools that you might need. They're pretty basic. I'm sure you have them all. The only thing you might need is a hook pick. Sometimes the O-ring and the cap comes off a little hard, so we're going to show you how to do that. There's a snap ring that holds the servo in. Mind it, you're going to have an exhaust pipe right about here, so sometimes it's a little tight, but it's very doable. Take the old snap ring out. What happens is, when you get it out, sometimes it's hard to get this out. It just won't come out sometimes. So what we do is, we got a hook pick, and there's an opening down here where you got the snap ring out, and you can grab it with your hook pick. Grab it with your needle nose pliers. Take your side cutters and snip the snap ring, or the O-ring, and when you pull it, usually it'll spin the cover, the snap ring comes, or O-ring comes out, the cover comes right off. Then you can get up in there and get your old assembly out. The new assembly comes ready to install with another spring. The O-ring's on it. Take some assembly lube and lubricate the O-ring. Like I said, the exhaust pipe is here, so sometimes it's a little tricky to fish this in there. You may have to take the cover off the assembly to get it in, but it will go in. Cover up in there, okay? When you get the cover up in there, you want to tap it in a little bit. And then get your snap ring. If you can get your snap ring all the way around to this side, if you ever have to take it out again, it will make it a whole lot easier. If you only have a little stem down here. When you're putting this snap ring in, there you go. You hear it click? That's what you want to hear. I sell a lot of these covers and O-rings and snap rings online because the guys don't put them in all the way. The snap ring's not in all the way they think it is. As soon as the vehicle goes to second gear and applies this band, it blows the cover out the side. So make sure you have the snap ring in all the way. Most important part of doing the job. It's pretty easy. Like I say, if you have the car up in the air, it's a whole lot easier. We have a makeshift car here for safety. We didn't want to get underneath anything. But that about does it. Shows you how to put that servo in. And if you have any questions, call us here at Phoenix Transmission Parts at 877-782-5582. Thanks and have a great day.